night, everyone, and welcome on board to our last flight with Fast Airlines. We're about to head to Hollywood. I'm your Captain Andrew speaking. My name is Tamir, baby. We have a great team. We're part of today's HCS. Please place your carry hands under your seat, because we're about to.
My highlights are faded away. That's how you know we're switching direction. This ship has sailed away. That's what they all call an end of an era. Flying overseas, flying overnight. I cannot see you, the clock just saying that the time is running up, so let my seat. Waiting for the moment I will feel calm. Getting off the plane in the middle of rush hour. Jet lag it once again. Just for the ready to tomorrow. Wish I could learn from my mistakes, but I keep on approaching obstacles instead of planes. Flying overseas, flying over now. Where can I see you? The clock just hit midnight. The time is running, I'm still in my seat, waiting for the moment I will feel complete. You drag me close, when I get closer, we're all alone, alone and sober. A page of the book, torn apart, with the writing far down. Flying overseas, flying over now. Where can I see you? The clock just hit midnight. The time is running, I'm still in my seat, waiting for the moment I will feel complete. Flying overseas, flying over now. Where can I see you? The clock is hit midnight. The time is running, I'm still in my seat, waiting for the moment I will feel complete. Feeling dehydrated, uncomfortable as shit. Repeating is impossible. I'm getting dehydrated, uncomfortable as shit. Repeating is impossible. I'm walking down the street.